Yo guys, so we just landed in Sacramento Airport. I was running on like 2 hours of sleep, so the nap was definitely much needed, but I'm super excited to finally be here. Hey guys, so we actually did not vlog the first day because the first day was actually supposed to just be a chill, spend time with family day. We ended up going to Six Flags and it was also Fright Fest, so that was a pretty cool experience. Never got to do that. Got on all the rides, and we also ended up going to get some boba as well as some fire ramen. So it was just a really nice laid back day. Today I'm super excited to share this one with you guys and vlog everything because we are going back to San Fran. So we are gonna be checking out the very few hypebeast shops that we did not get to check out the first time. Super excited to share it with you guys. So yeah, we're pretty much gonna start the day off. So we were on the way to San Francisco, and on the way in Berkeley there was this pretty dope shop called Premium Sneakers that we found out about, and it was literally just on the way we had to make a stop, but unfortunately it is showing up that it's supposed to open from 12 to 6, but here we are at the Premium Sneakers, and unfortunately it's like caged up and locked, so they're not even open right now. So that was a huge bummer because it looked like a pretty nice small shop, but they had quite a bit of heat. We just wanted to check it out, but I don't know. Looks like they're still in business, but it's just not open today. But I mean, at least we didn't have to go too far out of the way for it, so we're just gonna go to San Fran now. Okay, guys, so we are outside of Locker SF, so fortunately this shop is open. We actually ended up driving past it because it's kind of like in a small remote location, but they do have quite a bit of heat, and I think it's actually a fairly new shop, so we're gonna go ahead and check out what they got. So we are in the actual shop now. You can check out the fire backdrop. They got the Supreme decks, pretty much every like fire piece. They have even the flags one. That's one of my personal favorites. They got the crazy bear bricks up there. Got a bunch of 1000%. And you even got to check out some of the COS figures in the back. They got a crazy display here in the front. Unfortunately, most of these pieces are not for sale, but these are super rare, especially that like OG Supreme helmet as well as the Supreme slides. Shop's crazy dope. I would say this is the hypebeast clothing portion. We got a lot of the COS, COS Uniqlo, super popular. You can see the tags here. They got many different sizes, so you can pretty much just walk in the store, find your size, and cop the piece that you want. They have pretty much every single colorway. Yeah, checking out, they got every single one. Something I also want to mention is they got a lot of Bape, so of course the Bape Shark hoodies, especially in the green camo, super popular. They even got some like the cheaper pieces like the Bape College tees as well as like Bape Shark tees. Even got like this huge like bathing ape with the pink camo. And of course, we had to mention the real heaters. They got the TNF Supreme Reflective, and also this is one of my personal favorites, the Atlas World Map Expedition 2014. This is actually one of the first like super hyped up TNF Supremes that I got, and this is super clean and very rare, very sought after. So on this side of the shop, they got pretty much a bunch of dead stock sneakers. So they got a wide variety, lots of Jordans, lots of Yeezys, and even some of the more heater pieces like the off-white UNCs, even the Union ones. Those are super popular, but they got a pretty good collection. You can find a lot of sneakers that you guys might be interested. I know some of these might cost a pretty penny, but you can also find some of the more cheaper items as well. So speaking of heaters, we got the Sean Weatherspoons. These shot up, and what are these going for right now? These probably can be found for around like 900 to 1,000. It's crazy. These used to be a lot more cheaper on the market. Then you also have some of the more like affordable ones like the Jordan 11 Cherry Lows. One of my personal favorites definitely would have to be the Black Cement 3s. A very classic sneaker. You cannot go wrong with these. I actually don't have one in my rotation, so I might need to have to look into getting a pair. So on this end, if you really are looking to save a little more and not get dead stock sneakers, they do have an entire wall dedicated to pre-owned sneakers. So you can find, most of these, looking at them, are in like amazing condition. I would say somewhere between like 8 to 9 out of 10. So you can get pretty fire sneakers. Like they even got the Supreme Air Force One high tops. These go crazy, and they're going for only $420. That's actually a really good price for these, so can't sleep on the pre-owned wall. What else they got over here? They got some of the Cactus Jacks. So man, these shot up like crazy. Look at this, 8.5 going for $750 now. This was going for like $400 in this smaller size, like maybe 3-4 months ago. It's crazy to see how the market's changed on these. So here in the front, this is a cool little section. So they got a $5 and $10 sale on a bunch of older vintage sports gears. So $5 and $10, you really cannot go wrong with that. They got a good variety. Looks like they got a lot of San Francisco stuff, because of course, San Fran. But they do also have a bunch of other stuff. So they even got the All-Star jersey as well as the USA Olympics long sleeves. So, you know, it's not just California-based stuff. They do have quite a bit, and for an amazing price. So we are here with Chris, and he's gonna go ahead and tell you guys a little bit about the history of the shop and how they first started.
So yeah, this store used to be called Connect for about 7 years, and then we recently kind of took it over where we changed the name to Locker SF. We've been open since March of 2019.
Dang, so fairly relevant, about maybe like half a year or a little over. So really dope shop. Looks like you guys are doing pretty well. You guys have a lot of good inventory, and I'm really feeling the design and aesthetic of the shop. Alright, so that pretty much wraps it up for Locker SF. Really dope shop. They got a lot of accessories, lots of sneakers, clothing, and it's just a good variety. Definitely would recommend checking it out. As you see, the background and the shop itself looks really cool, so definitely worth your time. So it is located here in Daly City, but it's pretty much right next to San Fran, so if you are ever in the area, you should definitely check the shop out. Yo guys, so thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I know it's been quite a while since I have uploaded anything on YouTube. I've been very inactive, and I really want to apologize for that. It's just been very busy. Lots of things have been happening, and I have had a jam-packed schedule. Lots of moves are being made, but I want to reassure you guys that we are going to be back on this grind. I'm going to be working on content, lots of it, and I'm going to be producing stuff for you guys, so you guys definitely want to stay tuned. And if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with all the new stuff that we will be working on. And that's pretty much going to wrap it up for the video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more content, and until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one.